In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create text shape in Canva. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to turn simple words into bold custom shapes you can use for thumbnails, social media posts, posters, and more. First, open your design in Canva. This can be any size or template you like, such as an Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail, or a blank canvas. Once you're inside the editor, look over to the left-hand side of the screen where you see the main toolbar. Here, you'll find options like Elements, Text, and Uploads. What we're looking for is the section called Apps. Go ahead and click on Apps. This is where Canva keeps a lot of extra tools and integrations that aren't immediately visible on the main toolbar. It might take a second to load, especially if it's your first time opening it, so just wait until the panel fully appears. When the Apps panel is open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search bar and type in text shape. Make sure you spell it correctly and then pause for a moment. Canva will start suggesting apps and tools that match what you've typed. From the search results, look for the option called text shape. This is a tool that lets you generate text that's arranged inside different shapes and layouts. When you see it, click on text shape to select it. That will open a new window or side panel specifically for this feature. Next, click on the button that says Open. This tells Canva you want to start using the text shape app inside your current design. Once it opens, you'll see a simple interface where you can type in the words you want to turn into a shape. Now, type in the words you want to use. This could be a title, a short phrase, or even just a single impactful word. Keep in mind that shorter phrases usually look cleaner and more readable inside shapes. Take a moment to check your spelling and think about how the text will appear in your design. When you're happy with the text you've entered, click on Add Design. Canva will then generate your text as a shape design and automatically place it onto your canvas. From there, you can resize it, move it around, change colors, and combine it with other elements to complete your design.